Have you ever wondered why so many people struggle to understand what's happening in the economy, especially when it comes to protecting their families and their homes? The truth is, there's a major flaw in our system that no one's talking about without getting political. Let me tell you something that deeply concerns me. There's almost zero financial education in our school systems. Think about it. If no one is teaching financial literacy, what kind of decisions are being made at the highest levels of government? People assume those in power must be financial experts, but I have to wonder. The Federal Reserve Bank supposedly has 400, maybe even 4,000 PhDs. Yet, look at the state of the economy. These are academic geniuses, but when it comes to real-world money, they're clueless, and these so-called experts, they're the ones making decisions that impact all of us. And guess what? Their choices are directly affecting your home, your savings, and your future. The real question is, are you ready for what's coming?